As financial scams continue to threaten Filipinos online, a new partnership is pushing for greater digital discernment and responsible internet use. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente reports.
Here's to a more responsible digital navigation. With this mission in mind, MediaQuest Media Information Literacy Campaign, Tingka Muna Pilipinas has teamed up with Maya Bank and held the signing ceremony on Thursday, June 11. The partnership aims to empower online users to critically combat financial fraud and educate them with discernment.
The Philippines, as you know, is one of the hotspots for financial scams. And tama-tama naman, mga kapatid namin sa Maya were gracious enough to allow us this opportunity to collaborate for Tingka Muna Pilipinas because really, critical thinking is a survival skill nowadays here in the Philippines, especially. No? So we would like to extend this message across to our kapatids in the Maya community, lahat ng mga Maya users, to use their critical thinking skills to make it into a habit para hindi po tayo naloloko ng mga financial scams.
With Tingka Muna's core advocacy, MQuest echoed to build a stronger foundation to aid not only the youth but all generation.
We remind them to be careful also na kasi sila usually yung nasa scam, yung mga mas nakakatanda sa atin. Itong Tingka Muna is a collaboration between and among other companies such as PLDT and Smart, such as Maya, such as kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, because the idea is really to get the word out to as many people as possible na kailangan mag-Tingka Muna.
Meanwhile, Maya also lamented prevalent scams, shifting to digital landscapes such as e-wallet and online bank. The company cited for a unified approach together with other agencies to also fight against myths and disinformation.
I think there's really a meeting of the minds here, for the Tingka Muna campaign, particularly for Maya, as a financial institution, both as a wallet and as a bank. We really feel that there needs to be a unified approach to this. Our role is to ensure that our systems are secure, that your funds are safe with us, and at the same time, we continually push out the right messages.
Yet they echoed that online responsibility must also start within ourselves.
At the individual level, lahat tayo may responsibility dyan na wag tayo magpapaloko agad, wag tayo magkiklik ng mga links. A lot of the false news and misinformation, they never stop. No? So tayo din, we have to make sure that we're constantly updating ourselves, educating ourselves to align with our campaign. Di dapat Tingka muna bago mo i-click yung mga links na yan.
Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.